So one last thing I wanted to share that I totally forgot to share, and for me, it was very exciting because I have to admit, physical things are very important to me, and the ability to do more and accomplish more has always been important, and it's a certain way that I have definitely quantified my training or time spent, focusing on physical things. And when I first set out to do sub 9, Doug challenged me continuously on whether or not I was going to be able to do that, or whether or not I had really created that in my mind. And it's funny because for a while I thought, is he trying to set me up for a realistic goal? I didn't really know what was going on because a lot of people were asking the same thing. I mean, I didn't train the same way other people trained. I didn't have the time. I was really focused on the business, and being efficient when I did train and training very intensely was important to me. But for me, one of the most exciting and amazing things was creating this sub 9 time, in my mind and in my heart, and then showing up and being able to on race day put it together and run 8:44. It was the craziest thing because it was so far out of my realm of comprehension. Realizing how it related to the people that that I ride with and that I know can do things, and for me, just that unlocked the ability to realize that I can create anything I want. You can create anything you want. Anything that you want to be or do is available to you if you can just step into it and allow it to happen. And for me, that learning, I'm excited to continually watch how it's going to translate into my work and everything else that I do. But definitely something I didn't want to miss sharing with you. And I don't know, whatever your goal is at Leadville, you can have it too.